Hi everyone, more grammar, alhamdulillah. Today we're talking about comparatives and superlatives. And we're also going to talk about equatives. I'm not sure if that's a word, but it's going to work well enough for us, okay? So we're talking about the same, better, and the best. Okay, so we've got a text down here. Student Olympics. Wanted the strongest, the fastest, and the most intelligent. Okay, but you should have read that. You should always read the text first before you get into any of the activities. Hopefully you've been doing that, like the directions say. But once we get down here, we've got three things that we're looking for. We're looking for phrases that describe who is better between two or more groups of people. Words or phrases that describe the best of something. And words or phrases that show how two things are equal. So let's do that. Okay, hopefully you're looking at something that is similar to what I've got on the screen now. Start out, we've got the strongest, the fastest, and the most intelligent. Now those are all versions of a superlative, which is something that describes the best, right? But they're different. How are they different? Here you have strongest, fastest, but here you have most intelligent. That's something we're going to talk about towards the end, but you should notice one other thing. Every one of them has the word the, and that's a key part of a superlative. When you have a superlative, I can't think of any example where you would have a superlative without the. There might be some. There are often exceptions to rules. But this is a rule that is pretty standard. You're gonna need the when you talk about the best of something. Next we have as good as. And what are those two things comparing? It's got you and the sports people. Okay? So that and you, as good as. The best speller, faster than your rivals, smarter than your classmates. Okay? Are you as clever as your teacher, the highest, the most points? Now, these two are different as well. Okay, we're going to talk about how they're different as well. But we're looking specifically at the part of speech of this word and the part of speech of this word. See if you notice a difference there. Okay, let's see, that new should not be selected, so we're going to get that out of there. As quickly as possible. All right, let's take a look at some of the rules, and we're going to come back and talk about the things that we mentioned. So the first one is we're talking about comparatives, and those are our words in green, okay, smarter than and faster than. When you have a short or one-syllable adjective, like smart or fast, how do you do that? You add ER, and then you have to use than. Smarter than, faster than. But now if you have longer adjectives, or if you have a noun, because you can use these with nouns too. More apples than, right? I have more apples than my friend. We need more. And please don't forget this, okay? We've been focusing on like more and best and the fastest, but you can also use less the exact same way. Okay, then you have the adjective or the noun and then. Let's look at superlatives, okay? And those are our, the highest ranking ones, the best ones. Again, if you have a short adjective like strong or fast, again, you just have to have the, then your adjective, okay, strong or fast, with EST on it. But if you have a longer word, intelligent, right, that's an adjective, but it's 3 syllables, intelligent, 4 syllables. or you have a noun down here, points, then you need to use most. And the most just goes between the and the next word. So we've got our word the right here, and then we need most. And again, we can use least as well, the same exact way, and then your noun or adjective. And to show that something is equal, right, and those are our ones is blue, as good as. What part of speech is good, adjective or adverb? That's right, it's an adjective, adjective, adverb. They work just the same. As, and you have either your adjective or your adverb in the middle. This should be a review for you. Go ahead and practice. Good luck.